Hello everyone, welcome back to the Goodbye or Goodbye YouTube channel. I'm your host Justin, and today we're going to be reviewing a little pickup I made during Prime Day this year. The product up for review is the HuaF Power Bank. That's a 24,000 milliamp hour power bank that was on sale. I'm not sure if it's actually spelled out as HuaF or is it pronounced HuaF. Don't know, the world may never know or even have enough patience to figure it out. But all that matters is, will this made in China powerhouse be a goodbye keeper or a goodbye return? Let's take a closer look together. Okay, so this is how the box arrives. Not much to it as expected. Let's start peeling away at the packaging. First items in the box is a after sales card. Not exactly sure what that is. Let's take a look. We're supposed to open with surprise. Okay. I don't know what the hell that means, but sure. Okay, looks like a contact email in case something is not working right. First thing that jumps out at me is the contact email is a Hotmail account. Jesus, I didn't even know that was still a thing. Probably a disposable email in case your house goes up in flames from the product is my guess. I kid, sorta. After sales team will always be here for your coming. Well, I appreciate the gesture, HuaF. I hope they are pretty. Up next is the user manual. It looks like it consists of 4 very small instruction pages and frequently asked questions. Not too much to see here. It looks like on the bright side, HuaF does give a 2-year warranty with this product. That's nice. I've had other power banks that have gone out on me. I guess that's also assuming that they haven't got rid of that burner email, that burner Hotmail account, I guess. I still appreciate the nod and service though. Only things left are the power bank itself and a micro USB cable. Let's take a look around this thing. Okay, first thing I notice is on the outside of the power bank, there's a non-slip texture to it. It's okay. I'm finding the texture is only borderline helpful from an anti-slip capacity. Let's see what else there is to find around this thing. The screen is scratched up. Not too bad, but the screen feels extremely plasticky. As you would expect with a $31 power bank. It looks like it scratches extremely easily, actually. Not the end of the world. The power bank might have already been opened, or maybe because it's plastic, it just got rubbed up a little bit against itself whenever it was, in shipping. Let's go with the latter. So with this power bank, I know that there are 3 inputs. That's where the power bank itself is charged, and there's 2 outputs. That's where the power bank does the charging for your dead or dying device. So the 3 inputs for charging are located here for Type-C USB, here for Lightning USB, and here for micro USB. The 2 outputs, so this is what is actually once again charging your dead or dying device, are here. That's 5 volts, 2.1 amps on the left, and then 5 volts, 1 amp on the right. So be sure when you're plugging in your device to charge that it's compatible with either the 2.1 amps or the 1 amp charging output. Let's turn the power bank on. The power button is on the right side of the unit. Want to see a cool little trick? Click the power button twice and the LED light comes on. How bright, you say? It's okay. Wouldn't recommend walking around the dark too far with it. The LCD screen itself is obviously viewable in the dark, a nice touch, and shows the remaining charge left on the power bank, which is really useful and way better than probably the terrible LED charge bulbs that are on most power banks out there. That's pretty much it for the device itself. I'd give the overall build quality a 7 out of 10. Okay, for what you get, which is a 2-device charging LCD screen 24,000 milliamp hour power bank, it's a great value in my opinion. In fairness, I'm a little weirded out by the Hotmail email account for questions and warranty work, but other than that, it seems like it's decently built compared to other power banks that I've had myself and also kind of like reside within this price range. If you go on Amazon right now and look around, it seems to pretty much be the best bang for your buck in the class. I picked mine up on Prime Day for $25. It's currently listed at $31, but I still consider it a bargain for the class of power banks that it's in, even at the $31 price range. So final thoughts here. I know I've probably said it enough, but I'm really not digging the Hotmail account for inquiries. I know it's an email era, but something a little bit more professional would have been nicer and more reassuring. It kind of feels like when you're a smaller and less established or even like trustworthy company, you might be operating like that, especially when it comes to overseas. But really, I think the product still has a good value. If I had to choose between a goodbye keeper or a goodbye return, I'm gonna give it a goodbye. It's staying with me and I'm not going to be returning it. Most power banks in this class come with the same quality and less features, or same features and a higher price. So I'm comfortable with keeping it because I feel that the value of what this product delivers really warrants a try. So I'm keeping it. Hey there, thank you for joining today. I hope you gently click the subscribe button to this channel and follow along as we review more items together. I promise to keep you in the loop about great offers and value traps out there when it comes to purchasing products online. I'll gladly welcome you into the Goodbye or Goodbye family as we explore more products together. With that being said, thank you for joining today, and I will see you on the next product review. Take care.